Welcome back to Creating Google Tours. In the last session, we discussed about adding scenes to the Google Tour. Now we are going to look over how to add points of interest, various written information, and also how to add audio files. So as you can see on the right hand side of the menu, we have the option Add Point of Interest. Let's click on it. An eye appeared on the screen on the 360 image, so we can actually move the eye wherever we want to add the additional information. After we moved the information, the point of interest around, now we have to give it a name. So here is the Egyptian obelisk. Now let's say that this activity is going to be used for language learners to follow some directions, and we want to tell them that the obelisk would be the meeting point. So we can say here meeting point, and once we close the information, if we just click on it, it's going to show us meeting point. We can also add a picture. I'm going to select a bit of text that I prepared ahead of time and add it to the meeting point. Now, when you go and watch the tour in VR, you are going to see only this icon. If you click on it in the console, this is going to show up as any piece of information that you want to add there. So they'll know that there is where they need to meet with the rest of the group, for example. Or instead of directions, let's say that we want the learners to practice numerals. And historical landmarks are great for this purpose because we can talk about the years when they were built, dimensions, and so on. So we can add another piece of information here in the second point of interest, and we can say details. And then we can add the information we prepared. I have here a slide with numbers, and after the computer uploads it, we can add it to the obelisk. So let's say that the learners are walking around in the plaza and they have to read in Italian the numerals and the details about the obelisk. That's a good opportunity for them to practice numerals, for example. This is it for today. In the next session, we are going to see how to add audio, background, and audio pieces of information.